Lismore, Ireland's timeless village of castles, culture, and charm. Nestled along the River Blackwater in Waterford County, the town of Lismore feels like a dream preserved in stone and story. Framed by rolling hills, lush woodlands, and a grand medieval castle, Lismore is more than a quaint Irish village. It is a place steeped in history, brimming with natural beauty, and radiating an unmistakable fairytale charm. With its cobbled streets, rich literary past, and iconic landmarks, Lismore invites visitors to step back in time and experience Ireland at its most enchanting. Lismore's story begins over 1,000 years ago, when it was founded as a monastic centre by Saint Carthage in the 7th century. It quickly became one of the most important places of learning in medieval Ireland, attracting scholars from across Europe. Though the monastery no longer stands, the legacy of spiritual and intellectual growth still lingers in the town's peaceful atmosphere. The crown jewel of Lismore is undoubtedly Lismore Castle, an imposing structure perched above the river. Originally built in the 12th century by the Normans, the castle has been home to many noble families, including the Dukes of Devonshire, who still privately own it today. Though the interior is not generally open to the public, the Lismore Castle Gardens, meticulously maintained and full of blooms, are open seasonally and offer visitors a chance to stroll through living history. Lismore's cultural influence stretches far beyond its walls. The town is closely associated with Robert Boyle, the father of modern chemistry, who was born at Lismore Castle in 1627. The Robert Boyle Science Room celebrates his legacy and connects the town's medieval scholarly roots to its contributions to modern science. Literature also thrives here. Lismore has long inspired writers, poets, and artists with its serene landscape and storied past. The Lismore Imrama Festival of Travel Writing brings together authors and adventurers from around the world each year to celebrate exploration and storytelling, highlighting the town's deep connection to words, wanderlust, and wisdom. Walking through Lismore feels like stepping into a storybook. Its tree-lined main street is filled with charming stone buildings, artisan shops, cozy cafes, and traditional Irish pubs. The entire village is framed by the surrounding Knockmeal Down Mountains and the River Blackwater, which give it a secluded, almost magical feel. Wherever you look, there is a sense of quiet elegance and timeless grace. Flowers spill from window boxes, church bells ring softly in the distance, and locals greet visitors with a warmth that adds to the town's spell-like appeal. Lismore is not just about looking back, it's also a destination for active travelers and nature lovers. The Lady Louisa's Walk, a wooded riverside trail that connects the castle to the town, offers a peaceful and scenic stroll along the riverbank, with views of the castle and surrounding countryside. Nearby attractions include the V Gap, Mount Melleray Abbey, and the Blackwater River, where kayaking and fishing are popular activities. Whether you're an adventurer or a leisure seeker, Lismore's natural surroundings offer plenty of opportunities to unwind or explore. Lismore is a town where Ireland's past and present intertwine in the most graceful way. Its medieval castle, scholarly legacy, cultural events, and breathtaking scenery come together to create a destination that feels both intimate and grand. Whether you're interested in history, nature, literature, or simply soaking in a serene and magical atmosphere, Lismore welcomes you with quiet beauty and timeless charm. It's not just a village, it's a fairy tale brought to life. Brought to you by Infinite Knowledge from Maroli Edutech. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please share and subscribe to our channel.